Welcome back to our channel where we make your digital life easier. Today we're diving into a super useful tip for all Telegram users out there. Ever wanted to watch videos on Telegram without the hassle of downloading them first? Stick around because we're about to make your life a whole lot simpler. Before we jump in, make sure to hit the like the button. First things first, let's open the Telegram app. If you haven't updated your app recently, make sure to do so because you'll need the latest version for this trick to work. Once you're in, navigate to the chat where you've received the video you want to watch. Now here's where the magic happens. You'll see the video message with the download icon, right? Well, instead of tapping on the download icon, you're going to tap on the video message itself, and voila, the video starts playing right away without downloading it to your device. Pretty neat, huh? But wait, there's more. If you want to watch the video in full screen mode, just rotate your device or tap on the full screen icon at the bottom corner of the video player. And there you have it, folks. Watching videos on Telegram without downloading them is as simple as that.